Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about these, the new Sticky360 stick ends from Radiomaster. If you are a Zorro owner or a T16 owner, Radiomaster have released some new nut ends for their gimbals that should offer some extra grip on the sticks. I did find when I started using the Zorro that the grip on these isn't the best. It's not particularly slippy, but they do feel a little bit anemic to me. And these hopefully should help improve that. They're available in various different colors depending on what style you want. And they work with both the plastic gimbals as well as the AG01 or AG01 minis, depending on what set you buy for what radio. What we'll do now is actually take a closer look. I'll get the red set out because I want to have a look at that. And then we'll have a feel of what they're like on the sticks. Okay, what you get in the pack is two bottom nuts and two top nuts. To remove the ones on the Zorro, it's simply a twist and turn as you would expect it to be on any other radio. Now these are 3mm stick ends on the Zorro as standard, so it is similar to many others on the market. If we take them off, you can see they come off nice and easily. And then if we get these open, we've got the bottom nut, which has additional grip compared to the standard one. So let me just get in a bit closer and show that to you. You can see on the standard nut, there's just a vertical grip design, whereas on the new nuts, it's got a completely different spike design, which is done in 2 rows. If we then compare that to the top one on the Zorro, again, they've still got that vertical grip with the little crown on the top, compared to the sticky nuts that have that spiky design all the way around, and then you've got the crown on the top, which offers a lot more grip. So let's get these fitted and see how they feel. Okay, so as you can see, we have the left stick with the new ripping nut and the right with the original. Now, having a feel of them, they do feel very, very grippy. They don't hurt. There's no pain in them at all. In fact, something I am noticing is the original Zorro feels a bit sharper on the top compared to these. I'm a bit of a combination person in the sense of I'm not a thumber and I'm not a pincher. I'm a bit of a combination of both. I tend to rest my thumbs there with a finger there, semi-pinched, semi-thumb. And I will say that the original Zorro nut is sharper on the top of my finger than that one. If I just press on that, that's fine. Just press on that. Yeah, I can definitely feel it. There's definitely more grip. So for instance, if I do that, I can move my finger quite easily. Whereas on this, it's just not the case. I can move it, but it is offering much more grip. So far, that all feels very nice. So if you're looking for a bit of extra grip on your gimbals on the Zorros, these are probably worth a look. You can see that it is substantially different. It's that much more spiky design going all the way up with the crown on the top, whereas this is 2 layers and it goes in there. And I think it's that bit there that gives it that anemic feel. To me, it just feels a bit thinner. I'm not pinching that far down, and I haven't extended the sticks up that much on this one. Whereas on this, it just feels thicker all the way up the shaft, meaning it feels more like the gimbal ends that I have on the other radios. Okay, quickly, both are now done. Yep, that all feels absolutely fine to me. They look good, look fine. I've got the height a bit better now than I had before as well. There we go. So as you can see, we've got both fitted, all on the radio nicely. I've chose the red on mine. Goes nicely with the color of the radio and bounces off the silver a little bit there as well. So yeah, hopefully they should offer a bit of extra grip. They certainly feel better in the fingers, that's for sure. Definitely a lot more substantial than I had on the original nuts. As I've already mentioned, I did feel that the sticks on the Zorro as standard did feel a little bit anemic, and I do think that these are a good way of just giving you extra grip, and for me, they just make the radio feel better overall. They cost just under $15, and if you're interested in getting yourself a set, there is a link to them in the description of this website where you can not only get those sticks, but you could order yourself the Zorro or some accessories as well. Now, just to be clear, that link is an affiliate link. By using it, we will receive a small commission from Radiomaster. So if you do want to support the channel, please do consider checking it out. However, you can just go to your normal dealer, your normal retailer, or go directly to Radiomaster's website to pick them up should you wish to do so. If you are also interested in finding out more information about the Zorro, I have a full review on this radio, which I'll pop up on the side, where I talk about the good and the bad, and I give you my full thoughts on the radio, as I do with all of the products I review on the channel. And I also have a second video coming after this one, talking about the battery situation on this radio and how to get the best possible life, but also some mods you can do to improve the battery life further. If you found this video interesting, please do consider hitting the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber already, and please do consider checking out the links to my Patreon as well as the Buy Me a Coffee account in the description. We are only able to keep making content on this channel via the support of the people who donate and via Patreons. I want to say a massive thank you from me, and if you would like to support us to continue to do that, please do check them out.